I'm Julissa Vicinal Flores. I'm married, I'm 38 years old, and I have 3 kids, 2 boys and 1 girl. The boys is 11 years old and 9 years old, and then the 5 years old, the girl. And I'm undergraduate of BS Accountancy, and then I finished my training bread and pastry in C2 in TESDA. And then my husband work is truck driver. And then my work experience only in the Philippines. I work almost 2 years. I serve 3 members of family, 2 elderly, and then 5 years old boy. My work every day is cooking, cleaning the house, washing, even hand wash, and also washing machine, car wash, and marketing, and send the child to the school. And then I will take care of the 5 cats and 7 dogs. And also I work gardening and then also car wash. And I thank you.